Hello everyone, it's Recharger here and welcome to another 118 scale video. So I have a very roached box here, but need to do it. I need to do it. So this is the 1957 Chevrolet Corvette Gasser. Is from Road Signature and I think who it is. It's Yatming. Okay, so it's a Yatming. This is a very not a high quality model, I can tell you that, but nobody else has made this. So yeah, I know it exists in some other colors, but I think this is the best color. In my opinion, it's also very cheap, so you can easily buy it for, I'm just gonna say it in euros, around 30, maybe 40 euros, and maybe even lesser if you can find on some flea markets or something. I personally don't remember where I got it. I think it was also from some kind of flea market or something like that. I think it was. I'm not fully sure. I don't fully remember. Yeah, this one has some spider webs on it. This thing has been sitting in my storage for a while. Once at least 3 times I think I tried to sell it. Nobody bought it. No, it's not really anybody's style in my country. So since I can't sell it, I don't want to give it to any kids, so I'll just keep it. Because I kind of understood that that's that. If nobody wants it, I'll keep it for myself. Yeah. Okay, let's get it off the base. Let's see what type of screws I need. Two screws. Oops. So that's one. If you don't want to watch me do this, you can easily skip forward. It's not going to take much. Oops, not that much time. There we go. Let's just put those back in there, push it to the back. Can now look at the base of this model. It is actually quite detailed for what it is. Like I said, there's dust bunnies in here and stuff like that. So the steering is a bit funky, as you can see. It does steer, but this part here is like funky. Like it's not. I think it's supposed to be straight like this, but it's doing that. So I don't know what's up with that. I think it's just deformed over the time that it's been sitting around. Being hand to hand, probably, I don't know. This thing has big chunky tires. It's like hard plastic for the back ones and it's softer plastic for the front, so it's quite interesting. I don't know how it should be in real life. Of course, rubber tires, but how how much the fatties need to be, how strong they need to be with air or something like that. There's your front. You can see through the grill. The headlights are nice. The molding is pretty okay, so it's not the worst stuff. I've seen much worse stuff from Maisto. Not with this one, of course. They don't have this model. The doors open very widely. There's some interior, as you can see. If I could get a focus, there we go. Nope, now it's gone. Sorry, can't do anything about the focus that much. I'm gonna try from this side. Come on, you can do it. It's too much chrome. I think the back should be openable. Yes, it does. There's supposed to be a spare wheel in there. So I don't know if it was supposed to be there or it's or not. Not fully sure about that. So like I said, I got this one from a flea market. I think I did at least, and I have no memory of, or I never checked if it had to have a spare wheel back there or not. The engine part is cool. We have this reverse opening hood, which I think was actually for the real car as well, openable in reverse. The blower is quite cool. Like, everything in there is pretty nice. Like I said, not the highest details, but it is pretty detailed for what it is. Like these manifolds, I think they're called. They do go flat, so they're not completely flat, but they are not fully round. They go to the exhaust to the side. But like I said, it's not the worst, it's not the best. So there's a squeak to it, but it does roll. So, like, wow. There you go. Yeah, like I said, it's not the worst and it's not the best, but I don't think anybody else out there is making this one. So yeah, there you go. A short and easy, quick video on this model. I hope you liked the video. Leave a like if you did, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.